Hello Year 10. For this single lesson in history, week 2 of term 3, we're going to do some pick and mix medicine revision. This will help you prepare for your double lesson where we're looking at more detail on medical knowledge itself. Next week we're going to move on with our course by looking in more detail at patient care. For this pick and mix revision you need to use this sheet here. You do not need to print it out. You can draw out the various different tasks and make them into tables, or you can print it out if you are able to do so. There are 4 tasks for you to complete on the sheet. The first one is, what do you know about me? You've got 3 heads here, and you need to write in each head what you know about each medical figure. In this case, we're looking at the early modern period and 3 people: Harvey, the British surgeon; Paré, the French barber surgeon; and Vesalius, the Belgian anatomist. In each head, write as much information as you can about each person, at least 5 points on each person. The next task you need to do is tell me 3. For each of these points, you need to tell me 3 different bits of information. So 3 ways that people treated the Black Death in 1348. 3 reasons why surgery was dangerous in the Middle Ages. 3 improvements to medical knowledge in the 16th century. So write 1 bit of information in each box. For example, in here you might write praying to God, or in here you could write whipping themselves to avoid God's punishment. The next revision task is find and fix the mistakes. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 statements here. I would like you to read each statement and rewrite it in its entirety, fixing the mistake. So for instance, it says here, James Simpson developed antiseptics in the 18th century. He began by experimenting with chloroform. It immediately made operations safer. Well, we know that it wasn't antiseptics that he developed. It was anesthetics that he began to develop in the 19th century. And did it make operations safer? Or not actually? Make sure you're rewriting the whole thing and correcting all the mistakes in the passage. Finally, there is a thinking quilt for you to complete. We've got 4 topics that we've looked at so far: patient care, knowledge, treatment and prevention. You need to colour code the key words or people that are mentioned in the grid to each of these topics. For example, patient care. Well, we might link that to Henry VIII because it was his ending of the monasteries in the 16th century which enabled patient care to develop, or caused patient care to develop in that period. Or we might also use the word endowed, would be linked to patient care. Or if we look at flagellants, well, we know that was a method of prevention for the Black Death. So I'd like you to go through all of these keywords and to colour code them to each topic. In order to refresh your knowledge on any of the information here, I've put links to GCSE Pod on to Show My Homework. You can watch the videos there to help you refresh your knowledge to make sure you can complete any of the tasks. If you're not sure about information you need for a task, go on to GCSE Pod, find the relevant video, and that will help you to add more information to the revision sheet. Now remember, you do not need to print this revision sheet out. These things can be drawn out in your book. You could draw out the 3 figures. You don't need to draw the heads. You could just give me the information. You could draw out the 3 tables as well and the colour code sheet. So all in all, that should take you an hour to complete, making sure you refresh your knowledge by looking at GCSE Pod. Okay, thank you very much, and I hope you have a nice day. Please make sure you submit your work on Show My Homework, either through a photo or in JPEG format or by emailing your teacher with your completed revision sheet.